Welcome back, guys. So now that our character is moving left and right, it's time to make our character jump. So let's go back to our code and let's create a new private float that is gonna be jump input. So you remember here we took the move input from input get axis horizontal. Let's just copy that, and jump input is gonna come from input get axis, you guessed it, vertical. And so move input is really all about, do we go left or do we go right or do we stand still? Now, jump input is more about, do we go up or do we stand still? So really there is no down, So look here, -1 for jump input would be that we are going down. But look, we don't need it. Some games may be needing that arrow, that when you press the down arrow, something happens. In our game, we will not need it. So 0 is nothing happens, nothing is pressed, nothing pressed. And then 1 is going up. And really, we only care about 1. So therefore, we're gonna do if jump input is equal to 1. And here's where we're gonna jump. However, there is one thing I want to make clear, and that is the following. Let's debug.log jump to the console. So when we're pressing the up arrow, we should see the word jump in the console. So let's go back, let's save this, let's run our game and see what happens. So if I go to console here, you see this tab, I press here. So if I press up, you see, it takes some time. Like it's not instant. It's not instant, man. If I just press up, you know, it doesn't try jump. Why is it so? Well, because really, this jump input and also move input, by the way, they're not going between 0, -1, and 1. Like it's not discrete. It's not like either 0, it's not 1, -1 or 1. It's more continuous. It's like a scale. It's like a gradient. So when you start pressing, for example, here, when you start pressing the left arrow, it will go from 0 until -1, but it will go from 0 to -0.1, 0.2, things like that. And the same is here. So when you just press jump quickly, it will go from 0 maybe to 0.3 and then to 0 again. And so therefore, instead of having equal to 1, we want to do bigger than 0. Because I don't care, like, if you just gently touched up arrow or you pressed it for a long time. If you press the up arrow, you're jumping. So therefore, instead of writing 1, we do if it's bigger than 0. So let's try that out instead. And it should be way more reactive. So let's press up. And yeah, as you can see, as long as when I press up, I see many jumps. Good. When I press up, also I just wanted to write 1 jump, but we will fix it later. For now, it seems to work. It seems to be responsive. Very good. So the thing I want to do now is just to push it upwards, and I need to know how much to push it upwards. So just like here we had speed, basically how fast we're moving left and right. I also want to have a jump force, and this is gonna be how much we're jumping. I mean, how forcefully are we gonna jump? And this is gonna come from the editor, just like speed is coming from the editor here. Jump force is also gonna come from the editor. So if we save this, actually we should see, yeah, see, you see jump force right here. So you have speed and jump force. Let's set jump force to 5. Boom. Cool, we have jump force. So now the only thing we need to do is to tell this rigid body to move. So you gotta move. And where are you gonna move? Well, you're gonna get a vector two-dimensional vector, and the first one is, as previously, gonna be the x-axis. On the x-axis, we don't want to change anything. Just like here, you know, when we move to the left or to the right, we don't change anything on the y-axis. We just take the current y velocity and we just give it as y velocity. The same is here. We don't change the x velocity. We just take the x velocity that is already there and we just put it there. But we want to give it a push upwards. So therefore, I'm gonna write jump force like this. Boom. So let's save. Let's go back here and see if it works. And let's see. Here, and if I jump, doesn't jump. let's see what's up. Let's see what is happening. So if jump input is bigger than input, than 0, yes, then I want to do rb.velocity, new vector 2, and jump force. Let's see what jump force is. So this kind of happens when you develop. You don't really know what is wrong, you don't really know what's happening. Let's see what jump force is. If we're really getting, oh yeah, it's 0. Yeah, we did not save it for some reason. Of course it's not gonna jump if jump force is 0. Yeah. So jump force needs to be, let's set it to 5. Let's ensure that it saves. Yeah. So let me remove this. We don't need it. Let's see. I go to jelly and it's still 5. Yeah. So of course, if jump force is 0, nothing is gonna happen. Yeah, now it happens. Yeah, see? So if I press up, it goes up. And I can actually just hold up. It's kind of, this is kind of cheating. We need to stop it. But if I just hold upwards arrow, it's gonna go up. So as you can see, we have some basic jumping. It's not, I mean, there are so many things we could do better. I mean, one of the things is that you cannot jump endlessly like this. It just goes to infinity. We need to fix it. We definitely have to fix it. And we will fix it in the next video, guys. We have basic jumping. It's not really realistic for now, but in the next video we will fix it. So I'll see you there, guys. See you there.